Welcome to Food Smart. We are so excited to be a part of your health journey. Our goal is to make eating well simple, but to do that, we need to know a little bit more about you. Now that you're signed up with Food Smart, head to your Food Smart app or website to take the NutriQuiz. The NutriQuiz assessment asks questions about your current eating habits to get a baseline understanding of your nutrition. After taking the NutriQuiz, you can head over to the side panel to set your food preferences. Here, you can let us know what kind of lifestyle you follow, what foods you don't care for, and what you are allergic to. By understanding your current eating habits and dietary preferences, FoodSmart can give you personalized recipe recommendations that fit your lifestyle and will improve your nutrition. You can take the NutriQuiz again whenever you'd like, but we recommend retaking the assessment once a month to see how your eating habits have improved with FoodSmart. Thank you for watching this NutriQuiz tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.